Some plants are so rare that sellers won't even reveal how they got them. Today's succulents look harmless, but their strange shapes, sudden dormancy, and unnatural colors make many people question if they're even real. Stay till the end, because one of these plants is nearly impossible to keep alive indoors, and most owners don't find out until it's too late. Frizzle Sizzle twists itself into tight green spirals that disappear if light or water is even slightly wrong. It goes dormant in summer, often fooling owners into thinking it's dead, then suddenly returns, curlier than before. Woodlouse cactus looks armored, with rough, bug-like bumps covering its surface. It grows extremely slowly and blooms bright pink flowers only in strong sunlight, making healthy, own-root plants very rare. Pangolin plant stacks its leaves like natural armor, forming thick, scale-covered stems. A pale coating softens its color, and with patience, it surprises growers with sweet-scented white flowers. Living stones disguise themselves as pebbles to survive in harsh deserts. They grow very slowly, hate excess water, and thrive only with strong light and long dry periods. Variegated moon cactus displays unnatural splashes of red, yellow, and pink. Because it lacks enough green pigment, it survives only when grafted, and no two look the same. Starfish flower produces large, fuzzy, star-shaped blooms in bold colors. The catch is its strong odor, designed to attract flies, making it unforgettable when in flower. String of turtles trails with tiny patterned leaves resembling turtle shells. Unlike desert succulents, it prefers humidity, indirect light, and lightly moist soil. Dude forms massive, spiky mounds that can grow wider than a person. Bold and aggressive in appearance, it's best suited for serious collectors. Little Jewel forms a compact star of thick blue-green leaves with subtle white markings. Easy to care for but slow to grow, its rarity comes from patience, not difficulty. Fish skin euphorbia has hardened, scale-like textures that look almost unnatural. Extremely rare and hard to propagate, it's tough once established but nearly impossible to find. Mini desert rose behaves more like a tiny tree than a succulent. It can be shaped like a bonsai and produces vivid pink flowers while preferring more frequent watering than most succulents. Mermaid tail succulent grows upright and fans out like a crest at the top. Slow-growing and sculptural, it thrives in bright, indirect light and instantly stands out. Spiral aloe forms a perfect natural spiral that looks engineered. Very difficult to grow outside its native climate, healthy plants are rare and highly valuable. Fairytale plant has soft, rounded leaves that look almost animated. Despite its cute appearance, the leaves are toxic, hiding danger behind its charm. Ruby Glow hides bright red undersides beneath calm green leaves. Easy to care for but hard to find, it proves rare succulents can still be beginner-friendly. Rare succulents aren't just decoration, they're living curiosities. If you enjoy learning about plants that look unreal, like the video, subscribe, and stay curious.